Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that is talked about today by Microsoft is the famous control panel and the settings app. Microsoft confirmed today that yes, they are in the process of totally removing the control panel, moving everything to the settings app, but that it will take time because they have to be careful on how to do it. They know that there's a lot of things to move on, and that is a complicated part of this. Now, they are saying that throughout the year, this year, we'll have more and more control panel settings move up to the settings app, and that slowly they are going there. They're going towards the elimination of the control panel. There was quite a few comments on that post, as a lot of users are saying that in many ways, the control panel still has a lot of options and a lot of features that are just not as good in the settings app yet for different settings for different hardware. They were mentioning, for example, that the network settings are way more extended in the control panel. There's way more things. Printers, scanners, installing these are also, there's a lot of things that you can do in a control panel that aren't in the the settings app here. So we'll see what happens next and how long. But of course, this means, as they're saying, it's going slow because it's complicated. I think the control panel is not going away soon. It will probably at some point, but we will need to make sure that this is well done and that it doesn't break anything within Windows. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.